Even though humans make mistakes, they pause and wonder, who is this? Who are they? They desire a guru or a coach to transform their lives. But the role of a true guru isn't to become a guru. It's to remind oneself constantly, be cautious. It's crucial in life to focus on ourselves. As it's written, let's focus on. Often we focus on companies, plans, teams, uplines, downlines, families, countries, governments, international events, and countless other trivial things. Yet we forget that we should focus on ourselves. The person who focuses on themselves becomes the center of the world's attention. Understand this. When someone focuses on themselves, the world focuses on them. Why? Because they are focused on self-improvement. If you decide to develop yourself, to become more skilled, more hardworking, more courageous, more dedicated, and to bring about positive changes within yourself, you'll understand. Have you heard of CCTV cameras with signs saying, "Caution, you are under surveillance"? Even if a person intends to do something wrong, they hesitate when they see the camera. Make your life your own CCTV camera. Be that camera for yourself. Remind yourself constantly, caution, your name. You are under surveillance. Make a yearly resolution to do what you haven't done in the past 25 years. This quote, caution, your name, this is not your job, is a reminder. Swami Vivekananda rightly said, a teacher's role is to awaken the teacher within others. Every individual has an inner teacher. A true guru doesn't become a guru. They awaken the inner guru. You must become your own guru. There's no other option. You have to train yourself. You have to make your own decisions. The decisions you make today shape your future. What you decide today determines what you'll achieve tomorrow. Two things are crucial with decisions: what you decide and how you manage that decision. If you don't manage your decision, you'll fail. You decided to study but couldn't manage it. You'll lose. You make a decision, and then you make the decision to manage that decision. No matter what, you stick to your decision. That's how you build a better tomorrow. If you maximize your time for a year, I'm confident that everyone here will achieve at least a six-figure income. It's guaranteed. Our mistake is that we don't focus on ourselves. We focus on others. We look at others, but rarely at ourselves.